Hello guys, this is your Pogame Master once again, and for today's video guys, we'll be discussing guys why you need to consider buying Pokemon Korean versions. So as you can see guys, the community for the Pokemon Korean market is really exploding, and even the large creators like Unlisted Leaf, Pokerev, and other big creators in YouTube were also buying Pokemon Korean versions because it's really cheap and it's really the artwork is also nice and also like similar to Japanese version. So the Japanese version guys and Korean versions has the same set and it's released in the same time. So, however, the price of it is really have a big difference. So, for example, okay, let's make an example. So, for example, this one is a Destined Rival, guys. Team Rocket, Glory of Team Rocket, Glory of Team Rocket, sorry. Perfect for fan and collector. So, this one, they sell one pack of this for 22 ringgit only. Okay, but if you will check this out in Japanese or English version, so let's check guys. Destined Rivals, because this is the English version. Okay, let's check Destined Rivals. Okay, so per pack guys of Destined Rivals guys is already 80 ringgit as of this moment. Okay, so this one is an English version. 80 ringgit. So it range around 50 to 80 ringgit. So probably guys how much so four times of the Korean versions. So it's really expensive and it's really not affordable for the people, for the other collectors like me who is not that rich, you know. So I think it's a big opportunity for us as a collector to get the card that we want, okay, by considering the Korean market, because you can really buy it at a very very low price. And of course, by doing this, I think we will make a big balance on the community, because currently guys, if you will observe in the video, you can see that the scalpers and the other resellers were really arguing or really fighting for the Pokemon cards, particularly in the US area. So with this one, with the Korean versions, probably the demand for English versions will be a bit slower, and maybe it will normalize the system so that the other kids or other normal people who wants to procure Pokemon cards in Walmart or any other store, probably they can already buy some English Pokemon products. Because currently, if you can see guys there in US, majority of these stores were already out of stock because the scalpers were, buying bunch of them and reselling in eBay, reselling in Shopee. So yeah, so I believe that the Korean market will explode this coming 2026. And if you're new to my channel and you're watching this for 2026 or 2027, then you're already late. So now is 2025. Today is October 17, 2025. And if you watch this video and you make this initial investment in Pokemon, I believe this is a great start for you. So you're not yet late, because for example guys, Destined Rival booster box for English versions, I think this one is Japanese. I think the Japanese version, the cheapest one. Okay, so this one is what? Okay, so this one is English version. The cheapest one that I see in the market is around I think per box is around 369 ringgit. Okay, this is the cheapest one. But however, in the Korean market, okay, Korean market, let's check. So this one is different. Where is that? In the Korean market, probably it's only less than 200 ringgit. So you need to type Glory of Team Rocket. Yeah, because the naming is a bit different, but it's just the same card. So I'll be ripping off some of these packs, and we'll be showing you guys the quality of the product probably on the next weeks, because I already order a lot of them, and we will be receiving them probably by October 22 or 23, and I'm so excited for that. So as you can see, even the Japanese version is already 469. It's really expensive, guys. But if you will consider, yeah, this one is a Korean version, and it's authentic, guys. This has already been proven by some of our friends and our some of the viewers. Okay, so you can see this one is a 5-star. Okay, so we have a lot of legit Korean vendors in Shopee. And if you're new to our channel, then you are not yet late in the Korean market. So you can procure them for very cheap price, and yeah. But probably until next year, I'm projecting that, for example, this Destined Rival, right? So we are seeing it around 165. I am seeing these guys will increase for around 200 to 300 ringgit by next year. So you'll get double your investment. If you're new in Pokemon, I think this is the best time to invest and to consider Korean versions. And you can watch also other YouTube channels about it, and probably you will learn more on the quality, on how to determine the if it's legit or not. So I would suggest you do your own research. This is not what you say. This is not I'm not telling you to do what I'm also doing, but it's a great start to consider. So I think that's all for today's video, guys. Maybe we can make another video whenever the box has already arrived. So maybe on the next video I will show you guys the orders that I bought in Shopee. So like this one, they're selling per pack for only 8.5, you see. But previously the English version were selling for 80. It's very expensive. So you are lucky, guys, because you're new. You're new to the market. So I think that's all, everybody. Thank you so much, and please guys, subscribe, and also please share this video. And I hope we can reach our 4,000 watch hours by this year, so we'll get monetized. So as you know, I'm uploading daily YouTube videos regarding Pokemons and Magic the Gathering. So hopefully we get the monetization. Thank you so much for all of your love and support. God bless everybody. Bye.